Hello again and welcome to another 5-minute no crunch core workout. We'll get started with the dynamic leg extensions. This dynamic movement increases core stability. So get started by keeping your arms vertical and your feet off the floor, knees bent. Then lower your left arm behind you as you draw your left knee to your chest and then extend your right leg as far as possible. Repeat for about 1 minute but without arching your back. The next exercise is the hip roll. Keep your core engaged and your arms flat on the floor and knees bent together. You want to initiate this exercise from your core and roll your hips to the right and left. Use your arms for stability and avoid rotating your upper body. You want to always initiate the movement with your core. Next, we'll move on to the single leg lower and lift exercise. This is a beginner version of the double leg lower and lift, and we want to build strength first with this variation before moving forward. You can keep your legs straight or bent slightly at the knees if that's easier for you. Make sure you're again not arching your back and do as many repetitions as you can for 1 minute. The last exercise is the bicycle, and again use your core to control the movement. As you alternate, make sure that your leg is fully extended and that your back is not arching. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute no crunch core workout. It's super important to move every day to keep your core strong and your muscles engaged. If you can't work out every day, 5 minutes of movement is all it takes, and it will make a huge difference in how you feel. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button if you like this video.